standard oats with this peanut butter. So I tried the Maver's unsalted peanut butter. And oh my gosh, it is so good. It's literally just 100% roasted peanuts. And it tastes bloody beautiful. Literally amazing. Yum. Oh my gosh. Today I mixed vanilla slice with New York brekkie. That's like really smudged, and some almond milk. And oh my gosh, it is amazing. Okay, that is seriously bomb. That is so good. I have some kale, onion, and cherry tomato, broccoli, carrot, corn, brown rice, and an egg, and I put on top lime actually from our tree. Yum!
I could see this through. I could wait another night. One more night, one more night. I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me. Say there's gonna be a change, 'cause I feel like I'm just holding on to yesterday. But if I wait till the summer, oh, if I wait till the summer, oh, but if I wait till the summer, oh, I know it will be better, I can leave the truth, shut the blinds.
Okay, I just like realized I filmed this whole thing talking to myself and my thing wasn't recording. Okay, so for a snack I'm having my mum's birdseed cracker, which she makes by like baking together heaps of these, like, you know, health food superpower seeds. I have nuts. I have a medjool date with peanut butter inside as usual, and then I got one of these corn thins and I broke it in half, and on one half I put this cashew spread, and then on the other half I put my all-time favorite Maver's natural peanut butter and some banana, and that is what I'm gonna have for a snack. And I always have a tea with my snack. I always have a tea with after dinner and with breakfast, and if I'm at home I just have heaps of different tea throughout the day. And tonight I'm having this red-green vanilla tea from T2, and I've also had like 4 of these, and it's 800 mils. So actually I think I might have had 5, but I always have between 4. No, this is my 4th, or is it? Yes. So if I have 5, that's like 4 liters of water, and 4 is like just over 3, but because I have so many teas I definitely get to at least 4 liters. So yeah, gonna have that as a snack now. By the way, that's defrosting for something my mum's making, some dal or something, so yeah, if you're wondering. I'm not eating some chickpeas right now.